Hi, sir.
Hello,
Sir, could you please introduce yourself?
my name is Davinder Singh Kalsi. I'm from New Delhi. My company name is Xtreme Machines.
What product are you showcasing in this expo?
See, we have exhibited compounding line for filler and Masterbatch. Yeah.
And what is the specialty of that product, sir?
So, in the entire plastic industry, filler is the main part. They people are using filler for reducing the cost of the product. So, they are manufacturing Masterbatch and filler out of our machine. So, our machine is the basic necessity of plastic industry.
Superb, sir. And how was the HIPLEX 2026?
Wonderful. This is our second day. Last day was beautiful. Serious clientage was there. So we are expecting many more to come in these coming days.
And how was your experience in Hyderabad?
Hyderabad is beautiful. Green everywhere is greenery is everywhere. So this is my first time I have ever been to Hyderabad. So it's beautiful.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much.